Hey Thomas, is leasing better than buying? Which one would you choose?
I mean, with rates what we have right now in 2025, I would prefer leasing like finance. Maybe if you have a really good credit score like 800 and they will approve you around 4.99 or 4.5, yeah, I would prefer to do finance. But right now, for me personally, I heard with some deals you can pay really 500 down and you pay like around 500 bucks every month for lease. They do care about all your maintenance, about all stuff. You don't have to spend any money on your car. You're just driving and you don't have to take care, really, guys. It's really great option if you can just buy it a lease for today in 2025. Maybe next year is going to be way better. Comment below what you think, lease or finance.